up, back up.
Back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up, back it up.
Move in, move out.
Move in, move in, move in.
Move out.
Move in and move out.
Back up, back up. Tell me what you're gonna do now.
Lucci, don't play that.
What's going on, YouTube? Dorito here.
And the LuchaCabre here.
And today we got ourselves the Tao Motor Baja Sport 200 go-kart. This thing is really, really cool. It's got a speedometer on it now. It's all got the upgraded sticker package.
It's got a GoPro on it.
Yeah, we put that on there.
Oh,
it's got
nice.
the center light. It's got the nice belts and everything like that. And today, we're out to a new spot. Take it away.
Can you check this out, people? Nothing but miles and miles of wide open spaces.
Yeah.
For this Baja 200 to demolish.
Yeah, it's a little bit more open. The bumps are a little bit more.
But it's a lot more fun.
It's a lot more fun.
It's a lot more fun.
Faster. It has
And we're going to show you just what this can do on these bumps.
Yep. So let's get on with it.
Shall we? I got to keep my eye on you. That right hand can fly at any time.
Yes. Lately?
Slow cart, take one.
Oh, he fell.
Because why? Because why?
Because I hate it.
Let's see if you can keep this one on the ground this time.
I like to go really fast.
Okay, Chipperoonie. Chippendicular. There he goes, people. We're never going to see him again. That's all she wrote, people. I told you wouldn't make it back. I told you wouldn't make it back.
All right, guys, we're back, and there you have it. There's the Tao Motor Baja Sport 200. We took it out, we ran it, we had a blast with it. This thing really runs really good. I like it a lot. What do you think, Luch?
This thing runs really good. I like it a lot.
What was your opinion of how it handled?
It handles pretty good. And I like it a lot.
Yep. You know, overall, over the bumps and everything, it's really, really smooth. I have no complaints whatsoever. You know,
It's taking everything that we've thrown at it.
yeah, we got it up. I got it up to like 28 going through the bumps over there is what the speedometer
That's what he says.
Yep. So, anyways, there's the Tao Motor Baja Sport 200. We like it a lot. Go ahead and check them out at taomotor.com.
There you have it, people. Make sure you check back for more awesome Tao Motor products.
Yep. So we got to get out of here before we get a ticket.
We're in trouble.
Yep. Thanks for watching.
Rock on!
Peace. Okay, drone.